8528. FAA-certificated mechanics may A. Approve for return to service a major repair for which they are rated. B. Supervise and approve a 100-hour inspection. C. Approve for return to service a minor alteration they have performed appropriate to the ratings they hold. The correct answer is C. A small modification that an FAA-certified mechanic has completed that is appropriate to the ratings they have may be approved for reinstatement to service. Naturally, this privilege is only granted if the technician is familiar with the manufacturer's most recent instructions and possesses the maintenance manuals necessary for the operation in question. A 100-hour inspection cannot be supervised by a certified mechanic. 8529. A certificated mechanic with a power plant rating may perform the A. Annual inspection required by the FARs on a power plant or any component thereof and approve and return the same to service. B. 100-hour inspection required by the FARs on a power plant or any component thereof and approve and return the same to service. C. 100-hour inspection required by the FARs on an airframe, power plant, or any other component thereof and approve and return the same to service. The correct answer is B. A power plant or any component thereof may only be inspected for 1 hour by a certified mechanic with a power plant rating, who must also authorize the power plant's reinstatement to service. 8530. What part of the Federal Aviation Regulations prescribes the requirements for issuing mechanic certificates and associated ratings and the general operating rules for the holders of these certificates and ratings? A. 14 CFR Part 43. B. 14 CFR Part 91. C. 14 CFR Part 65. The correct answer is C. The part of the Federal Aviation Regulations that prescribes the requirements for issuing mechanic certificates and associated ratings and the general operating rules for the holders of these certificates and ratings is 14 CFR Part 65. 8530-1. 14 CFR Part 65 contains regulations regarding the certification of A. Pilots, flight instructors, and ground instructors. B. Airmen other than flight crew members. C. Flight crew members other than pilots. The correct answer is B. Crew members specifies the standards for the issuance of mechanic certificates and related ratings, as well as the general operating procedures for those who possess these certificates and ratings, including air traffic controllers, aircraft dispatchers, repairmen, and parachute riggers. 8530-2. 14 CFR Part 65 Subpart D contains regulations regarding the certification of A. Repairmen. B. Pilots. C. Mechanics. The correct answer is C. 14 CFR Part 65 Subpart D regulation contains rules related to the certification of mechanics, so the correct answer would be mechanics.